The seemingly unstoppable COVID surge after a holiday backlog. The CDC now reporting more than 440,000 new COVID cases on Monday. That is a record.
Trevor Alt is live here in New York with the very latest. Trevor, good morning to you.
Yeah, good morning, Janae.
Hey guys, let's see.
Well over an hour before they opened, and there's signs on the door that says these people
Huh?
are going to be
What
waiting
is
5
COVID?
to 7 days to get their test results.
What is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019, or known as COVID-19, is an infection disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, one of the coronavirus. COVID-19 was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. This virus spread rapidly and has spread to other areas in China and to the several countries, including Indonesia. What are symptoms of COVID-19? Infected people have mild symptoms such as fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. The symptoms can progress to severe pneumonia.
Is COVID-19 contagious? Yes, the infection spread from one person to another through droplets from the respiratory tract, which are often produced when choking and sneezing. The droplet ring is usually up to 1 meter. Droplets can stick to objects, but won't stay in the air for long. The time from exposure to the virus of the onset of clinical symptoms is between 1 until 14 days, with an average of 5 days. So people who are sick are required to wear masks to minimize the spread of droplets. How prevent and control it? Public health effort to prevent and control the spread of the SARS-CoV-2 include: number 1, using reply cloth masks or surgical masks, especially for choke and cold patient or health worker who examine patient. Number 2, frequently wash your hand with soap and water or using hand sanitizer containing a minimum of 60% alcohol. Number 3, applying choke and sneezing etiquette by covering your nose and mouth with your elbow or tissue. Throwing the tissue in the trash bin.
Number 3, applying coughing and sneezing etiquette by covering your nose and mouth with your elbow or your tissue, then throwing the tissue in the trash bin. And number 4, washing your hand before you're touching your face, especially your ears, nose, and mouth. Number 5, keeping a distance between individual physical distancing of at least 1.5 meters and stay away from crowd, especially there is someone coughing or sneezing. Number 6, avoid leaving the house and restricting your travel expense when there is an essential need. And number 7, frequently cleaning and disinfectant touch item or surface. Is vaccine important? Yes, vaccine is very important because the COVID-19 vaccine is the most effective way controlling infection by reducing morbidity and mortality and achieving herd immunity. Currently, there are 7 vaccines in the world that have been disseminated in the community product by Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Sinovac, Gamaleya, CanSino Biologic, and Sinopharm. In Indonesia, there are already several vaccines, namely Sinovac, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Moderna, and Sinopharm vaccine.
The COVID-19 vaccine in Indonesia cannot be given to adult patients and children greater than 6 years. The Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia In January 2022, also issue a circular letter for booster vaccination for people aged 18 years and over, with priority for the elderly and immunocompromised patient first. So, what to do if you are exposed to COVID-19? Okay, after you are exposed to COVID-19, take the following action. First, call your healthcare provider or COVID-19 hotline for information on where and when to get tested. Second, obey the contact tracking procedure to stop the spread of the virus.
3. If the test is not available, stay at home and avoid contact with other people for 14 days. 4. During the quarantine period, do not go to the office, school, and public place. 5. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter, including family members. 6. Wear a medical mask to protect others, including if or when it is necessary to seek medical care. 7. Wash your hands regularly.
8. Use a separate room from other family member, and if this is not possible, always wear a medical mask. And 9. Make sure the room ventilation is always good. And then if you're in a shared room with other people, and keep the bed at least 1 meter apart. And 11. Observe yourself for any symptoms 14 days. And the last, if you have a difficulty in breathing, speaking, or moving, being unconscious or feeling pain in the chest, immediately contact a health care provider.